Hello students, welcome back you to my channel. Today we are going to learn another beautiful poem from your course book. Unit number 2.3, The Twins. Introduction. This poem is written by Henry Shambrook. The rhyming scheme of the poem is ABAB CDCD. The poet has used hyperbole to create the fun and humor by using exaggeration or the overstatement. This poem may reduce the tiredness and boredomness from the mind of the readers. In this poem, the poet has described that how the similarities between twins created problem in their life. Now, the reading and explanation of the poem. First stanza. In form and features, face and limb, I grew so like my brother that folks got taking me for him, folk means people, and each for one another. It puzzled all our kith and kin. Kith and kin means relatives. It reached a fearful pitch, for one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. Now listen the explanation. In the first stanza of the poem, here the poet says that he and his brother were born twins, so they were similar in many aspects. Form and feature means the body structure, and face and limbs means the organ of the body. So the people were getting confused to identify who was the poet, Miss Henry, and who was his brother, John. Their relatives were also baffled to identify them. Now, the second stanza. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by the nurse, we got completely mixed. And thus, you see, by fate's decree means order, or rather, nurse whim means the sudden change of the mind. My brother John got christened me, and I got christened him. Christen him means to name or the naming ceremony. Now the second stanza. In the second stanza, the poet says that on the time of naming ceremony, they were being washed by the nurse who mixed them completely. The poet cannot understand that if it was the order of God or the whim of the nurse, but poet was named for his brother and his brother was named for him. Now listen the third stanza. This fatal likeness dog means to follow my footsteps when at school. I was always getting flog means punishment, for John turned out a fool, and I put this question fruitlessly to everyone I knew. What would you do if you were me, to prove that you were you? In the third stanza of the poem, the poet says that their identical resemblance means similarity, even followed their footstep to the school. Whenever John did any mischief, means foolishness, the poet was punished by the teacher. So, being unhappy, the poet asks an answerless question to the readers, that what would they do if they were in the place of poet to solve the problem. Now the concluding means the last stanza. Our close resemblance turned a tide of my domestic life, for somehow my intended bride means Navvadu means newly married woman, became my brother's wife. In fact, year after year, the same absurd means foolish, mistakes went on, and when I died, neighbors came and buried brother John. The explanation of last stanza. In the concluding stanza of the poem, the poet has created more humor, which makes the reader laugh by using hyperbolic figure of speech. Due to their close resemblance, many crucial incidents took place in their domestic life. According to the poet, his newly bride, means the Navvadhu in Marathi, became his brother's wife, and his brother's wife became his wife. All these foolish incidents were happening till his death, that when he died, the neighbors mistakenly buried his brother John. Thank you.